Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got an unboxing from a different company to one I've done an unboxing from before. This one is from URBestDeals. The letter U, the letter R, and then Best Deals. I will pop, of course, links to all these items below so that you will be able to find them. They are similar to other companies that I've unboxed from before, but we have some different items, so I thought I would show you them. I have one off the canvas item and a couple of diamond paintings. So we'll start with the off the canvas, and I just thought these were cute. So we do have a toolkit, basic toolkit, pen, wax and boat, which we'll pop back in. But I thought these were just something that was a little bit fun. I don't know if they're all cute. That cat's screaming quite a lot. But basically it's dogs and cats. They are stickers, and they are on clear sort of see-through stickers. They do look like photographs, and then you actually put the diamonds on the cats and the dogs. Oh, they're not special diamonds, they are normal diamonds. And they do look to have DMC numbers on them. So, just to show you the colours, so we have some white, which I don't know if you can see, if I can get my lighting to go right, but we have number 1, but then we have 5200 following it. That is the DMC number. So 5200 is like a pure white. We've got 740, which is an orange, which is something that some of you might recognise. Oh, we've got 310, which is black. So that's always one that's sort of worth looking for. If you're unsure if it's got a DMC number, hunt for a black. It could be a pure black of 310. It could be 939, which is actually a really deep blue. Or it could be 3371, which is a really dark brown. If you can sort of see one of those numbers, quite often that can help you determine where on your packets the DMC numbers are. But it's nice that it has them. It has numbers 1 through to 8, and then we have A, C, E, T and Y, and that is what corresponds to the symbols, quite simply. So this one has 2, 3, 4, T and Y, has number 5 in it as well, and number 3, and I think I've covered them all. So there's quite a few different colours in each. You can either do them separately or do them as a group. More than likely, I think I would do them as a group, but that's because I wouldn't necessarily kit this project up into pots. I would just open up, say, bag number 3, tip them all into a tray and do every number 3 on the stickers, just because it's a small project. But these are nice for like just a little evening project, or maybe if you have little people in your life that want to do the same as mummy or nana or granddad or daddy, and they want to diamond paint the same. These are awesome little projects. Always worth picking some up when you're shopping anyway. So yeah, we have little animal stickers for number 1. Okay, number 2. Let me get in the bag. Oh, my scissors don't stick to my finger. Oh, we have a funky colour one. Oh yes, I like colourful diamond paintings. I find the colourful ones really enjoyable to do. I do often like some more muted ones when I'm thinking home decor, but this one I'm thinking more fun. Fun to do with lots of vibrant colours. So get all the bits out so that we can lay this one flatter. This one is some butterflies with rainbows. Very pretty. Would suit a children's room, for example. However, I just went because it's pretty and it's colourful. and I like doing pretty and colourful ones. So we have 19 colours. They have letters and numbers for symbols. They're all looking really clear, which is good. The actual diamond painting area though is 25 by 35, so 5 centimetres off the measurement given. We get a toolkit with wax, boat, pen and a couple of baggies. Pop them in with my other toolkits. And then, oh, we don't have DMC numbers on this one, so that is something to bear in mind. We have the numbers 1 to 19 down here, and the numbers on the packets are relevant to the picture. So we've got W47001. So W470 is the item number, 01 is the number 1 colour. And the other number that's 10092 is on every packet. So that must be another code for the manufacturer. But looks like we have some potentially 154, 310s. We have some blues, purples, look, teal, green. Oh, look at those vibrant colours, see? That's what I get this painting for. I've got pinks, reds, greens, blues, oranges, and look at all those. See? That is purely what I get these paintings for. Nice bright colours, bit of something fun to do. It is a round, just so that you know, but you can always match up DMC numbers and find DMC numbers for these after the fact. I do have a couple of videos on my website of how I do that, but purely for fun. Purely a fun painting, but say the symbols are clear, which is what you want, and it's quite confetti-ish. There is little blocks of colour, but there is quite a bit of shading in those colours, so that's nice. And then for painting number 3 for this unboxing, if I can get in it, my scissors, I don't know whether it's me or my scissors, probably more me. This one is a bit bigger. Can't remember off the top of my head which one it is, but let's have a look. Oh yes. So this one, I wanted to get a scene. It was very popular when I got a scene one last time. It's a 50 by 40, so it is bigger. It does have 22 colours. Is it square or round? It's square. I did think I'd ordered some squares. So this one is square. So you can see we've got sort of a cottage or a church, sorry. A church here in the top corner. There is a bit of light shining off. And then we've got sunset, and we've got sort of a bridge with a river. But yeah, I thought that'd be a nice one. So we get a bigger piece of wax in this one, but then we get a boat and a pen, as per usual. But the colours are quite nice on this one. So we do have DMC numbers both on the canvas and on the bag. Let's see if I can get in it. And I'll show you the colours we have. We do have a couple of bags of 310 in this one, so they're both 310. And then we have some purples and greys. More purples. We must have quite a bit of purple in the sky of this one. Browns, blues, dark greens, and then we've got some paler colours. And we've got a few more vivid colours. So we've got some nice pinks and some reds in there as well. And then a bit more muted purple. There's quite a lot of those. Browns, blues and purples again. So say there is 22 colours in this. The symbols are nice and clear. And this one is a 40 by 50. What have we got? So that one is 945 and the V is 3688. So you will see some sort of peach with some pink. That's me roughly guessing. But that is the sunrise that you can see in that image. If you click on the link below, you'll be able to see the image a little bit better. It is quite small, but it is a poured glue. Did I measure? I don't think I did. So for this one, it is 45 by 35. So it is 5 centimetres for this canvas border before you get to the diamond painting size. But we've got a lovely church theme. We've got a very bright and vibrant, purely for fun butterflies, and then we've got another bit of fun with some animal stickers. So thank you so much to URBestDeals for sending me these. I will pop the links, of course, down below in case any of these do spark your interest or in case you want to see the pictures bigger. But thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you all again soon.